Ini nyaya yangu yakamira yakadai. I was supposed to get married last weekend, but Mukomana Wangu and his people didn't show up, and my parents advised we don't look or check on them kuti how far. Ndine zibundu mumwoyo vedu we. Squad yangu was there, though aiva masisters angu 5 and my friend. Then kuzodedzawo vedheko kubika and kunganidza hama. Hapana akauya zuva rese, not even a call. We accepted defeat and my family gathered for a meeting. Chikafu tikadya, though it was our own loss. Around 9 he posted a status update and my sister was the first to open, only to realize Akaenda Kunoroora Mumwe. Ndakaita chadzimira so kuona kunge kurota when she showed me. I took my phone in disbelief kutoenda kuma status and his friends and his sisters vandine number dzavo had uploaded RoRa pictures. I screamed nekuchema zvese. The girl handimuzive, and what hurts most is that akatokumbira date kwedu, and the previous day, that is Friday, we were together tichitotenga grocery nekutsvaga his suit. The colors were the same neanguwo. I'm hurt to the core. Izvezvi handina kana power. How will I face my workmates, vanhu muraini, kuchechi, hama and everyone who knew? Up to now he has not communicated anything. Hama dzangu vari kungondisimbisa havo, but it's not enough. Post to the sisters. Pamwe ndingawana akambosanganawo nazvo ndinzwewo zviri nani or advice from them. We dated for 2 years and all was well, not even a red flag. Hama dzedu dzaadza kutozivana. I feel betrayed by everyone close to him, but ndipo patasvitswa apa. Help me how to move on and recover from this, guys.